Hello everyone, Sion here, and today, after a little while, I'm opening this Cho-Z triple booster set featuring Hazard Kirbyus, Z Achilles, and Wolborg. So yeah, it's another triple set. I really like these. They tend to use these nowadays as a way to introduce a full combo for a random layer release. Let's first take a further look at the box. Okay, this explains the gimmick of Hazard Kirbyus, which we'll get into in a moment. Actually, I can just show you because I have the random layer version here. So you can see you have these kind of chains, and they're pushable. You can push them in slightly, which is supposed to absorb part of the attack. So here explaining that it comes with the new dagger frame, I think. So yeah, the combos for these are Hazard Kirbyus 7 Atomic, Z Achilles 3D Destroy, or 3 Dagger Destroy, and Wolborg 8 Bearing. So these are some very good parts, especially the driver. Destroy is my favorite attack driver, Atomic and Bearing are really good stamina drivers. And as you can see here, this is the blader for Hazard Kirbyus. I actually don't know his name. Normally I know all of the characters' names, but this one I don't know. Also, he wears a mask in the anime, and it's kind of weird to me that they show his face like this, but oh well. Alright, let's check these contents out. Oh, it's really neat, this little package. One thing I do want to say though is that Wolborg looks really bare without stickers on. Which I know, it's like... Beyblades are pretty much meant to have bare stickers anyway, so what does that matter? Let's just get these out. And there we go. Let's get Hazard Kirbyus out first. There he is. 7 is second. There's a nice second 7. Colored 7. It's actually colored discs way heavier, so it's pretty customary in tournament combos to use like painted discs. Yeah, the paint job gives them a little bit of weight here and there. So. Also, this set only comes with one frame, which I find kind of odd. Then again, the last one I don't think came with more than one frame either, so yeah, I guess. Yeah, this tends to take a little bit. And we need to unpack 3 bays. But yeah, in the entirety of Cho-Z, they've introduced 3 frames so far, which isn't a lot, admittedly. Okay, so there's that bearing. It spins really well. I'll show that off in a moment. Also, this 8 disc that isn't actually painted because gray silverish is already the color it wants to be because Wolborg. And there it is. So these are the sticker sheets. And I guess I think I just gave the code. Oh well. I don't really care that much. Let's take a quick look at that sticker sheet. So here are the stickers. We're going to be putting on those in a moment. Now the individual parts. So yeah, Z Achilles with this golden-esque recolor with the 3 dagger frame. dagger frame is supposed to go in a whole nother bay, but and then there's the red destroy, which is kind of cool. I like it. Red and golden motif. Like I said, dagger, well actually destroy is my favorite attack driver. Spins pretty well. I like it. I guess next, Wolborg. Wolborg 8 bearing. Yeah. As you can see, it spins for a few seconds straight, which is really sweet. And for those of you who don't know that about bearing, bearing is a POM driver, which is a specially engineered plastic that doesn't have a lot of friction and weighs less, I think. It's a fancy name. And next is the Hazard Kirbyus. Actually, like this. Oh wait, whoa. That feels not that tight. Like, it feels like you skipped teeth. Oh. But let's compare these two layers actually for a second before I put on the stickers on this one. Yeah, these two feel about the same. I don't know, I find both color schemes to be pretty acceptable. I think this one is going to look a little bit nicer when I get the stickers on. So I'll see you in a minute for that. Alright, and I'm back, and this time the three of them are stickered. So something interesting to note, which I didn't immediately see, is that these stickers for Z Achilles, they have these additional ones for the blades, which the normal Z Achilles doesn't have. Kind of like a flame attached to it, which looks very sweet. But here it is. Overall, it's really cool that they actually add something besides just being a recolor. It's not usual, to say the least. So here's the stickered version of Hazard Kirbyus. The lighter green version in comparison to the darker green version. Take your pick which one you prefer. And Wolborg, who without stickers looks completely bare. But the actual amount of stickers are pretty minimalistic. I like it. I even have like an unold Wolborg layer for the plastic gen. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. So yeah. That's essentially this unboxing. Probably my next video is going to be the new Buster Excalius. I've just gotten it in actually, and yeah, I'm going to be opening that next. So see you guys next time. Bye.